Today I would like to show you top 7 apps that pay you to exercise to make money online in 2022. So this video is very important if you want to lose weight and earn money as well in the same process. So this video is only for you. Just wait and watch how good it is. These 7 apps is purely legit and you can earn a decent amount of money just by setting a weight loss goal, and you can make money. So if you are looking for weight loss journey but you need a motivations, then this video is only for you. It is because these 7 apps going to give you incentive about it, and so that you can perform and reach your goal of weight loss journey, so that you can be a slim, fit and well, and live a very good life that you always wanted to. So without wasting any more time, I'm going to show you the first website or app that is going to pay us, which is called HealthWage. HealthyWage.com is the first site that is going to make you money in the process of weight loss goal. So just simply go there. You can set a goal there. You can participate into the competitions, and they have lots of competitions right now, and they have a challenge. These are simply go there and sign up an account, and you just get started by just creating a challenge so that you can meet those challenges. If you can cross or meet those challenges or goals, you can win money in this process. So you can see that this actress Sherry Shepherd owns $1,300 for hitting her goal of weight loss journey. So this website is really awesome to weight loss even and make money on the same process. So just go there and sign up and set your goal, and you can see that it's very professional looking and featured website on various top medias out in the world. So just install their apps and you're good to go to your weight loss journey. And you can see that people are making their life changed by losing their weight. So just simply go on and start doing it. So the second website or app that going to help you in your weight loss journey and make money as well is called Avidation.com. Yes, this is Avidation.com is really it's a very good way to achieve your weight loss goal in very good way, and you can earn money as well in that process. So just install this app and you just simply do it's a combinations of multiple apps. So they like some walking, exercising and many dieting and many apps like that, and they have some missions. You just install all of them and do the task as usual in timely manner, and you will get earned some point for that. And at the end of the month or day, if you just collected like 10,000 points, you can cash out as $10 for that. So 10,000 points is for $10. So this is really awesome. It's not going to make you rich, but it's a very good motivations for your weight loss goal and earn money as well. So this is really awesome. You can see that all the reviews people are getting and how they lose their weight, how they use Avidation app and make their life better. So the third positions is called Sweatcoin.in. So Sweatco.in, so it's like Sweatcoin and with the domain of in. So simply go there, install these apps. It's a very good apps to work out. It's like a walking app. So if you just install it, you just move your feet and you will earn some points, and that's it. You can earn sweat coins. They are launching. This is the amount they going to pay you, and you can just at the end of the month you can hold that coin, and it's a crypto coin, so you can hold it or make it more, or you can just convert it and turn it into fiat currency that you love to do. And in that process you are working, so you are making your health very good, and that is the way it is all about. So being healthy is the main fact, and earning money is an side options for that. So this is the really good app to work and earn as well. So the number fourth positions, the site, that app that I'm to show is called dietbet.com. So dietbet.com, it works a little bit different. It's like you have to bet on your weight loss goals, and if you meet those goals, they're going to pay you money. You can win money as well. So this is a really, really good way to set your goals. You just set your goals like you're going to lose some pounds in that 7 days, or you just start dieting and do the workout and change your life with setting goals here. You simply just bet something on your goal and you can win the prize pool money and split it to the winners. So this is the concept of this website, and you just install it and set your goals and set your competitions and simply just win that, and it will be, the profit will be shared to all the pool's owners. So this is a really different concept, but it's a really, really good way to, like a gaming, play games, and we lose weight in that process. So this is really, really simple, and it's also featured on premium medias like all of this. You see that you simply just go on, install it, and work with that. So the number fifth positions, the app that I am talking about is stepbet.com. So its website address is waybetter.com. So it's not stepbet, it's waybetter.com, and stepbet is their side project of it, one of their project, and this is the app-based project. You simply with the name, you can see that to work with this app you have to work. So simply you just install this app, and it's all already, its concept, a similar concept of diet bet. You just bet on your walking. So that's it. You just simply set your goal. You just install the apps and select a game to get your step goals, and then bet into the pot to join. So that is the case. You have to invest a little on a diet bet or step bet. Both are similar concept, and you just reach your steps goals and each week of the game, and then we will just make your goals to the whole game and split the pot back to your bet plus a profit. That is the way it is. You simply bet on the goals, just keep moving, working, and win that bet, and simply make your cash back with some profit as well. So these both are like simple, like investing in simple small amount of money, but it is involving investment. So I recommend, I disclaimer is, I'm not an investment specialist, I'm not a financial advisor. I do not recommend anyone to invest anywhere. It's your responsibility. Opportunity is limitless, but you simply just do your own research, do your own due diligence to invest. If you want to, you can invest in this sites. It's your responsibility. I'm not responsible for your investment, as I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only educational purpose only. So the number sixth position is called Vitality app. So vitality.co.uk, this is the website, and they have a Vitality member app. You just simply go there, you just install these apps, and it's already like a plan-based workout. You simply go there, you just build your plans. There are some walking plans, exercising plans, dieting plans out there. Simply meet those plans, meet those goals, and you will earn some points, and at the end of the day, at the end of the month, you can just turn that into some gifts and as well. So this is a really, really similar apps like all I am showing you right now, and these are already working really, really well for many peoples, and you just wait and see how good it is to help you your weight loss journey. So last but not least, the number seventh app, which is called Virgin Pulse. So virginpulse.com is the site that provide, not like it just is, it's a fitness app. You just simply go do some fitness missions, weight loss goals, and then at the end of the day, it's like a corporate apps that motivates all of you to get more out of you. So that is why Virgin Plus is especially for company owners to just evaluate their employers so that they can get more out of them. So this is like just simply for employers, so for like getting a competitions and reward them for their effort. And so these apps going to arrange that competitions, weight loss or walking or any exercise or anything, any competitions like that, so that the company owners can motivate their employers, so then they can work very happily and they become healthy, happy for their industries, for their work. That is the benefit of it. This, so the Virgin Pulse concept is a little bit different, but in that process you are making prosper, you are making money, and that's where it is. So simply it's a bit different, but all these apps are simply making your life better. And weight loss, you just meet your weight loss goal by just get those motivations. So that this is the case, you just simply work with that and you are good to go to earn a decent amount of money every month. So this is the way it is. If you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos on Money Horn. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.